Good morning, honorable juries. Good morning, honorable audience. Before starting, I would like to express my gratitude for the chance to give speech in this event. Let's express our gratitude as thank you to the God Almighty, whose blessing and help, so that we can gather here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aqila. I am a student of Junior High School in SMPN 2 Margorjopati, Central Java. I am in 8th grade class. Here, I would like to deliver speech about I am a Pancasila student. As Indonesia citizen, we certainly know that Pancasila is our country's foundation. Pancasila is the identity and soul of every person who claims to be a part of Indonesia. We already memorized the verses of Pancasila since our school days, from first principle to the fifth principle. But of course, Pancasila should not only be memorized in class, but also be practiced in the real life. Dear honorable audience, with that said, Pancasila's value and spirit must always ignite from faith, humanity, unity, cooperation, and justice values. We, as Indonesia, have a big responsibility to inherit the sacred and holy of our nation. Pancasila also the one that makes us fulfill our identity as full of diversity nation, but still got together in unity in Bhinneka, Tunggal, Ika spirit. Pancasila puts us together in obtains our goal, that is the prosperity and social justice for all of Indonesia's citizens. Dear honorable audience, one the important thing I speak here is about global diversity. Why is global diversity important? Understanding and accepting all different cultural and our daily life strengthens our appreciation for each other in the world around us. Diversity opens your mind to new views and new ideas. We learn to appreciate cultural differences and enjoy a fresh perspective that may have been missing. In the dimension of global diversity, Pancasila students are expected to know and love their culture and country, respect other cultures, and to be able to communicate, to interact between cultures. They are also expected to be able to reflect on their diverse experiences, so they take in harmonious cultural differences to create an inclusive, just and sustainable society. Let's come together in practicing the value of Pancasila to our social and national life. Always remember that Pancasila is our country's identity and soul as Indonesia. Let's continue the fighting spirit, the holy value of Pancasila until our descendants later. That's all my speech. Thanks for all of your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.